Alright, y'all, the time is now 9:31, and I'm about to make some overnight pumpkin pecan oatmeal. We don't put the pecans on tonight, we'll save that for in the morning, but we go ahead and mix up the oatmeal mixture tonight. Titus is making himself some tomato soup over here, and we are once again watching The Price is Right. I believe this is one from the 70s. Charles, he just went up there and he didn't win his car, y'all. That one where you gotta put the ball, that one's hard.
Well, baby, I mean, when you got a new car involves, you may have to do something hard, you know?
Yeah.
What are you making, baby?
I'm making a pumpkin pecan overnight oats.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He always laughs when I make something about some overnight oats, y'all. He started smiling when he saw me bring these oats over here. Tyler's heating up a Hot Pocket. Feel like a rerun, don't it? We're putting in 1 can of pumpkin. I'm gonna use the family recipe dish back here. It's a little deeper, not as wide as the one recommended, but it'll be fine. We'll just cook it a little bit longer. 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar.
Make sure you pack them, everybody.
Yeah, packed.
Pack them tight.
A what? A new dining room?
I don't think that's too
Martha? 1/2 cup of dried cranberries. You can leave those out if you want to, though. Huh? It's in the cabinet over there. 1/3 of a cup of melted butter. A teaspoon of vanilla. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Alright, that's it. We're gonna mix this all together, put it into our casserole dish. I'm gonna spray it first, and then we'll just cover it and put it in the refrigerator. And then in the morning, we'll take it out of the refrigerator while the oven's preheating and everything. And then we bake it at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Oh, I forgot, we'll top it with the pecans first. We got some chopped pecans from one of the apple places today, so we'll just use those to sprinkle over the top before we bake it. Alright, y'all, it is now 4:30. I'm trying to figure out what we're gonna do for supper. I had planned on pizza, but I don't think everybody's wanting pizza. We go through these stages where we'll get pizza every weekend, and then we're done with pizza for a while. That's happening. We need a pizza break, or a break from pizza, and I'm trying to decide what we're gonna do. I have another recipe that was on the meal plan This is my oatmeal plan. I didn't change it out yet. But I had a cilantro lime slow cooker chicken recipe. Didn't start that this morning because I thought we were going to do pizza. But then I realized nobody was wanting pizza, including me. I didn't really want pizza either. I just thought the kids would. So we'll figure that out when Titus gets home. We are going to go ahead and make our Friday night dessert though. This is called Stir Crazy Cake. It was sent to us by our friend Paula.
Where's the cake?
We got to make it.
Oh.
Let me get some flour. I'll be right back.
Okay. Hold on. Where's the coloring?
Food coloring?
Yeah.
I don't think we need food coloring this time.
Well, that's weird.
2.5 cups of flour. Let me get it leveled out here for you. Okay, here you go. Dump that in anywhere you want to. Just make sure you stay in the pan. That's good. Perfect. Perfect. Now put in 1/2 cup. Now we need 1.5 cups of sugar. Here's the sugar. Oh, he's got to clean his hands in between the flour and the sugar. 1.5 cups of sugar. He's going to put those in. Half a cup of baking cocoa.
Oh, let me do it.
There you go.
Oh. Oopsie.
That's okay.
I got it all over here.
That's okay, we'll get it. We need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna eyeball it in your hand, okay? Now dump that in. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And we need dump it all in. Yep, you got it. There you go. One more. That's that's a little. Let's shake it on down. There you go.
Now let's mix it.
Stir it all around.
It kind of feels squishy.
Feel squishy?
I can't believe I'm doing this.
You can't?
No, I can. Okay.
You done?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just helping him out a little bit here, Sissy. He left a few spots unstirred, so we're just gonna make sure we've got it all mixed up really good. Now, what you're gonna do is make 3 wells, or 3, not really holes. You wanna leave the bottom of the batter, but make 3 spots where we can pour some stuff. So I'll show you with the first one, just like that.
Okay.
Make 1 there and then 1 down there in the middle. In the first one, you're gonna pour the oil. I think we need them a little bit deeper here. Let's see. Have a little more of a ridge here. Okay, put the oil in that one.
Okay.
This is 2/3 of a cup of oil going in the first one.
Oh no.
It's okay. In the second one, we need 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Just put it in that one that the oil ran into. It's fine. And then in the third one, we're gonna put a tablespoon of vanilla. Okay. Oh, we've got a little volcano going on here. It's mixing, the vinegar's mixing with that baking soda. Next, we need 2 cups of water or cold coffee. We happen to have some cold coffee left over from this morning, so we're gonna use that. I think we pour the coffee over before we mix everything. You just pour this all over the top, Jonah.
Just all over the place?
Just all over the place, yeah.
Is that good?
Yes. Okay, Jonah took off, so I guess Sissy's gonna be the stirrer. We'll stir crazy together over here. The recipe specifically said don't beat, you just stir. Okay, so there's our batter. Now, I'm gonna wipe off my edges here where things got a little crazy. This is why it's called Stir Crazy Cake, I guess. Now, in this had some stuff in it. We'll use, let me get this. We need 1/2 cup of sugar and 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, you just mix all that together, Sissy. And then we'll let Jonah come down here and sprinkle it over.
It smells good.
Your turn, Jonah. We already have the oven preheated to 350. So once they sprinkle the cinnamon sugar over the top, that's it. It goes in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Teamwork. I'm cleaning up while they're sprinkling.
I'm gonna try with the cup. Okay.
There we go. Okay, there it is, going in the oven. Paula said to me, "You're gonna like this cake." Now Paula knows I don't love chocolate cake. I'm not a chocolate cake fan, but she said you will love this cake, and she was right. This is so good. This is great, y'all. It is so moist. It melts in your mouth, and like, it doesn't look like at first it's gonna melt in your mouth, but trust me, it melts in your mouth. The top is crispy a little bit from the sugar and cinnamon. It's great. Make this stir crazy cake. You will not regret it.
It's really moist. Good right there now. I really like that.